All right, so I'm gonna be pouring concrete on this porch on Friday. It's about 3.5 yards. I'm not worried about the finish on top because I'm gonna be laying tile. Cause we're gonna screen this in. And this storm door I'm gonna take off and put the storm door here. And then later, so it'll be a step down here later, we're gonna pour this higher and I'm gonna slope it down a little bit. And then I'll have from here all the way down to get rid of maybe 6 inches. Got plenty of room. So this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna pour a pad this size by myself. You know, the kid's gonna be running a concrete buggy. So I wanna get this straight. So I came up with a little idea. It actually just popped into my head. So let's try it. So I bought this bull float the other day, but it came with the fixed end. So I had to change it, the one with the chain, so you can pitch it going back and forth. So the other end, my plan is this. The other end that came with that bull float is right here. So my plan is hold this round, hold that. So this is what I use to flatten out the concrete, to screed it. Just an aluminum screed. And usually when you're screeding, it's standing up. So I'm gonna mount this. Then I can attach a pole. Here's the pole here. So here's the concrete vibrator that I use. It's a little cheap Harbor Freight, but it actually fits inside of the pole. Hold that side, Ryan. Let me slide it all the way in. So there you go. Screw that onto the screed and we'll see what happens. I guess I'm gonna have to control it, one hand holding here and the other hand holding the trigger. I guess we'll see what happens. All right, so here it is. I had a couple pieces of all thread. I think it was 1/4 inch. So I just use that with some stainless steel washers and those nylon locking nuts. See how it works. Got the adjustment. I'll go around there and set it up and we'll do a little dry test. It's loud, but we're gonna try it, see what happens. Today's Tuesday. Would have been it's beautiful out today. Would have been a perfect day to pour this, but unfortunately I can't get the buggy until Thursday. And then the kid needs a little bit of time he's never ran one of those before. Me either. So I'm gonna give him a little chance to learn it on Thursday, and then Friday, hopefully we're gonna pour this. So I'll probably do a different video for that. I'm gonna be positive here. I think it's gonna work. I think the only thing that might happen is it falls apart, the nuts and bolts, but I got them real tight. So as long as they stay tight, we should be good to go.